Hi, I'm Battistelli again, and on this video it's going to be going through bank 9 up to 13, and I'm going to start off with this is a rock bank, and as I said in one of the previous videos, there are different rock banks that I have set up. In this particular one, it's got some real nice with the sax. Rock sax and organ. Rock sax. Piano and organ. Then F, I have a Okay, so that's bank 9. That's a different rock than I had. I think the other one was in 6. So the next one is 10. So again, in 10, I have different things set up. Like if you wanted to do Moon River or Somewhere My Love. Even if you wanted to do Zabora Me. Accordion with vibes. Accordion with clarinet. Then I have the accordion with the organ. Accordion with the violin. Again, if you wanted to do Moon River. And a great accordion. So these are all set up. And again, you can play so many different songs, even like here in F, if you wanted to do. I mean, you can there's just numerous things you can do with it. Okay, so that was bank 10. Bank 11 is set up for The Godfather. So when you do it, then I have it set up with a mandolin, hit the palm switch. Really nice guitars. Trombone. And I did a lot of EQing on this trombone. full sound for the second part. So you get an idea of what I'm talking about with the different scenes, but this is mostly set up just for a special song called The Godfather. I hope you enjoyed it. The next scene, bank, is going to be bank 12. And once again, in 12, I have it set up where you could do numerous different songs. It could be, I'm sorry, I'm trying to think of a song to do with that. Would be, beautiful Italian song, Summertime in Venice. So that's all set up. And then I have, if you go to D, E has the demi strings, F is the guitars, okay, that was 12. And 13, I have set up for Phantom of the Opera. That's all set up for the Phantom, and that takes care of 13. I have other things in 13 too. I have D is then the accordion with the Dixie strings. You could do. Thank you for watching the video.